Hello friends, today I am here to tell you that how many countries are making the vaccine. Countries that are closest to find coronavirus vaccine. 5 months into the global outbreak, the world is racing against time to prepare a vaccine for coronavirus. Trials are underway in laboratories across the world with several companies and governments doubling their efforts to find a permanent cure for the deadly virus. We take a look at what are the major developments of the coronavirus vaccine happening across the globe. So the first country is United States. US pharmaceutical major Pfizer and its German partner BioNTech said that they have already begun delivering doses of their coronavirus vaccine to candidates for initial human testing in USA. Trials have also begun in Germany. On the other hand, Gilead Sciences has developed remdesivir, a broad-spectrum antiviral medication that is being tested as a specific treatment for COVID-19 infection. The drug has been authorized for emergency use in USA and has been also approved for use in Japan for people with severe symptoms of coronavirus infection. The second country is China. The country where the outbreak first took place has stated that it has received positive results from animal trials of a potential COVID-19 vaccine. Beijing-based Sinovac Biotech is in discussion with regulators in other countries and the World Health Organization to launch phase 3 clinical trials of the vaccine in regions where the novel coronavirus is still spreading rapidly. The third country is Italy. Recently, Italian researchers claimed that they have successfully developed a potential vaccine that can contain COVID-19 spread in humans. Luigi Orsico, CEO of Takis, the firm developing the medication, stated that for the first time a coronavirus candidate vaccine developed by them was able to neutralize the virus in human cells. Tests are being carried out at Rome's Spallanzani Hospital, where researchers from the firm Takis successfully managed to generate antibodies in mice, and they are hoping that it will work on humans too. Now next moving to Israel. Defense Minister of Israel Naftali Bennett declared that the Israel Institute for Biological Research has developed an antibody to neutralize the COVID-19 virus. It can attack the virus within the bodies of the infected and neutralize it. However, the defense minister did not specify about conducting any trials on humans as of now. Now the next one is India. More than 30 vaccines are in various stages of development in India. Scientists informed Prime Minister Narendra Modi on May. University of Oxford vaccine is also being developed with multiple partners including India's Serum Institute of India. The WHO document says out of the 100 projects under preclinical stages, Indian companies like Zydus Cadila, Codagenic Serum Institute of India, Indian Immunologists with Griffith University, Bharat Biotech in association with Thomas Jefferson University, Biological E Limited and the UW Madison Flugen Bharat Biotech combined are all working on potential vaccine candidates to cure the coronavirus infection. United Kingdom Infernon Beta, a drug developed by biotech company Synergen, has been injected in patients as part of initial trial used for treating multiple sclerosis. The result for the interferon beta injection will be delivered by June. About 31 active cases studies for vaccine development are going on in UK. So let's hope that somebody someday sooner come out with something which can save humanity. Thank you.